For the theory exam, one more type of question may come. Count the number of lines starting with a particular character, say for example W. Okay, then you need a small modification in this function. This is not there for the project work. We need this one for the theory exam. Okay, so here let me write lines starting with the W to use it to calculate the number of lines starting with the W. And here certainly you can write a document string. Let me go for a multi-line comment. Okay, so here you get each and every line present in the file. Now we don't need the number of lines, we need the number of lines starting with a particular character W. Okay, then you can, how do you get each and every element of L? You know the method. If you want each and every element of L, you can write for I in L. So I contains each and every line present in the text file. And how do you get the starting character? It is if I of 0 equal to W. Okay, then you should count. You can use a counter variable C. So C++. Initially C is given the value 0. Okay, and finally you can display number of lines starting with the W, starting with the W equals, you can break here backward slash, and here you can write capital C. Okay, so if I of 0 means if the starting character of the line equal to W, we count that line. So initially C is 0, when the first line comes C becomes 1, and so on. Okay, now let me modify the menu. Option number 6, print. Option number 6, lines starting with the W. So this will become option number 7, and here you can write this is option number 7. Here you can write L if choice equal to 6. You should call which function? This one. Right click, copy, and here you can call that. So run the program. Okay, there is no need for semicolon. Okay, just write C++. C++, that is in another language. So here you can write C is equal to C plus 1. So C is incremented by 1. That's the meaning. Okay. Now you save your file, run the program. Okay. 2. Option number 2. There are 2 lines and there is one line starting with a W. Let me see whether it's working. 6. Option number 6. So here option number 6, number of lines starting with a W is equal to 1. You can see there is only one line starting with a W. So the answer is correct. Let me exit from the program 7. So just make a small change, I of 0 equal to W. Similarly, if you want the number of words starting with a W, for I in L will give you each and every word of the text file, and if I of 0 equal to that character, C equal to C plus 1, same method. Okay, so the questions may come like that. It is there in my printed notes, and you can refer my printed notes in the blog.